Hello, I'm Greg Dozier, Commissioner of the Technical College System of Georgia. Every day across our 22 technical colleges, we see students who are working hard to change their lives. They're earning degrees, mastering trades, and preparing to meet Georgia's workforce needs head-on. But some of our most determined students face challenges that go far beyond the classroom. That's why I'm proud to speak to you today about the Fostering Success Act, the transformative initiative making a real difference in the lives of Georgia's foster youth. Each year, about 600 young people age out of Georgia's foster care system. Often without family support, most of us take for granted. That means no one to call for advice, no help with tuition, rent, transportation, or even groceries. Many of these young people are bright, motivated, and full of potential. But without a safety net, their path forward is much steeper. And yet, many of them still choose to pursue technical education. They come to our colleges ready to build careers in healthcare, welding, logistics, cybersecurity, or in a number of other high-demand fields. What they need is support. That's exactly what the Fostering Success Act delivers. The Fostering Success Act passed unanimously by the Georgia legislature in 2022. It created a foster child organization tax credit. This tax credit allows individuals and businesses to redirect a portion of their state income taxes at no cost to them to support unadopted foster youth as they transition into adulthood. Through qualified foster child support organizations, these funds go directly toward housing, education, counseling, medical care, transportation, and other vital wraparound services. For our students in the Technical College System of Georgia, this can mean the difference between staying in school or having to drop out. It means knowing someone believes in them enough to invest in their future. The cap on this credit is $30 million per year. And right now, we have the opportunity to ensure every dollar of that goes toward changing lives. I encourage every Georgian, especially our business leaders and partners across the state, to learn more and participate. It costs you nothing, but it means everything to a young person striving to succeed. Visit fosteringsuccessact.org to learn how you can be a part of this incredible initiative. Together, we can give foster youth not just a chance, but a future. Thank you.